What if I told you the biggest video platform on the planet, a place with over 2 billion users, that launches careers, creates millionaires, and dictates global trends, all started because 3 friends couldn't find a video they wanted to watch online? It sounds almost too simple to be true, doesn't it? But that's exactly how it happened. Today, we're going to rewind the clock back to 2005 and uncover the surprisingly simple story of how YouTube began. Back in February 2005, 3 former PayPal employees, Hurley, Chen, and karim, were getting frustrated. Sharing videos online was a nightmare. If you had a cool clip from a party or a funny moment you wanted to show your friends, the process was complicated, painfully slow, and just not user-friendly. There was no central, easy place to go, so they decided to build one themselves. Their mission was straightforward: create a platform where anyone, absolutely anyone, could upload, share, and watch videos with just a few clicks. They wanted to make video sharing as easy as sending an email. That simple, powerful idea was the seed that would grow into the YouTube we know and love today. Just a couple of months after they founded the company, on April 23, 2005, history was quietly made. YouTube co-founder karim uploaded the very first video to the brand new platform. The title, "Me at the Zoo." The video itself is incredibly simple. It's just 18 seconds long, filmed at the San Diego Zoo. In it, you see Jod standing in front of the elephant enclosure, casually talking about their really long trunks. There's no fancy editing, no background music, no special effects. It's just a guy, a camera, and a thought. It was raw, authentic, and unpolished. And with that single, understated upload, the age of the online video creator had officially begun. The growth that followed was nothing short of explosive. It was like a dam breaking. People who had been waiting for an outlet like this suddenly had a place to share their lives, their talents, and their stories. Within a single year, millions of videos were being uploaded, and the site was racking up hundreds of millions of views every single day. The world was hooked. This meteoric rise didn't go unnoticed. Tech giant Google saw the immense potential and the cultural shift that was happening. In November of 2006, just over a year and a half after that first zoo video, Google acquired YouTube for a staggering $1.65 billion in stock. At the time, a lot of people in the industry thought Google had lost its mind and wildly overpaid. But as we all know now, history proved them spectacularly wrong. YouTube did more than just entertain us with cat videos and funny clips. It fundamentally changed our world. It democratized media. For the first time in history, you didn't need a TV network or a movie studio to reach a global audience. All you needed was a camera and an internet connection. This shift gave birth to a whole new generation of content creators, online educators, musicians, filmmakers, and entrepreneurs. It turned hobbies into full-time careers and gave a voice to people who had never been heard before. It transformed ordinary individuals into global influencers and turned personal passions into worldwide movements. So, from a simple 18-second video at the zoo to the most powerful and influential video platform on Earth. That is the incredible, inspiring journey of YouTube. It's a testament to how a simple idea, born out of a simple frustration, can truly change everything. If you enjoyed this trip back in time, do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe for more stories like this, and let me know in the comments what your first ever YouTube memory is. Thanks for watching.